I recently got the Insta360 1RS, which is my first 360 camera, and of course I was curious to find out if I could use it on my run. So that's what we're going to test out today. Now I normally vlog with my GoPro, and a big advantage of this is that you can capture something that is happening on the other side while you're filming yourself. You're still catching everything else, and when editing I can still reframe the shot and get an image of something that I might have missed because it was happening over there, or it was happening in front of me and I was actually talking to the camera. So that is a big advantage of using the 360. A really nice Insta360 accessory is the 3-meter long selfie stick. With this you can get some amazing shots that look like you're actually making drone shots. Now while running, it might not be so handy to be running with a 3-meter long selfie stick, but I've used it for a couple of video productions, and I got some really amazing shots that otherwise would be impossible to get because you can't just fly a drone everywhere, especially when you're indoors. You can get some really cool looking shots. Now the sound of the camera, I've already heard some test footage, and it's not the best. It's not horrible, but it could be better. Now a lot of times when I'm doing my videos, my vlogs, I'm wearing a microphone anyways, so I'm not using the in-camera sound, but something could always go wrong with the microphone, and it's always nice to have in-camera sound that you could use if you need it. Now the battery, they say, only lasts for about an hour, which is not that long. I normally leave my camera rolling while I'm running and capture everything, and with the GoPro I can just change batteries. On this I can't change batteries, so yeah, being able to only film for an hour, would have to turn it on and off constantly, and then yeah, still might not be long enough for a long race. Now I do have a power bank selfie stick that I could use to give it some extra power on the go, but of course this will also add to the weight. Which brings me to the weight of the 1RS. It is a little bit on the heavy side, especially when it's on a selfie stick and you've got it extended. It gets a little top heavy. It's not that bad, but yeah, the GoPro is a lot lighter. So would I use the 1RS for my run videos? Well, it definitely gives you some great perspectives, some different shots that you otherwise couldn't do with the GoPro. So for my training runs or explainer video, maybe it'd be cool to use it. For my my races though, yeah, it's a little heavier. It doesn't have the battery power that I need. The sound could be an issue. So I don't really see myself using it on a race. Of course, it's nice that you can capture everything because it films everything. But on the other hand, a lot of races don't allow selfie sticks. So I would have to have it handheld anyways. So yeah, that kind of defeats the purpose. For my videography business though, I see great potential, and getting those drone looking shots, yeah, that's going to be amazing. So I'm sure that I'm going to use it a lot for that. So I'm not doing away with my GoPro just yet, but you can expect some cool looking shots in upcoming videos. Now, until next time, get out there and run.